children for Miss Maricel Infante Puig. And at this point, I will ask you, are you all guys ready to meet and witness Miss Maricel on her grand entrance? Say yes, come on! I cannot hear you, say yes, come on! And without further ado, may I request everyone to please all rise. Let us all stand up. Because for tonight calls for a grand celebration. And it's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you our glamorous, dazzling, very for tonight, Miss Maricel Infante Puig on her grand entrance. Let's give her a big round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the lovely lady of the hour, Miss Maricel Infante Puig on her grand entrance. Let's give her a big round of applause. Paano rin naman masaya si Maricel? Alright, how are you, Maricel?
I'm very good. Thank you.
How are you, Maricel?
I am very good. Alhamdulillah. Thank God.
Okay, can you give a few words to all the participants who came for tonight and lovely dance?
Thank you so much for coming, for witnessing to us tonight. We're celebrating my 40th birthday.
Happy birthday to you, Mama! Happy birthday to you, oh yeah! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you, Mama! Happy birthday to you, oh yeah! Happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Once more! Happy birthday to you, Mama! Happy birthday to you, oh yeah! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Once more! Happy birthday to you, Mama! Happy birthday to you, oh yeah! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Alright, you can close your eyes and make a wish. Alright, you may now blow your candle, Miss Maricel. Come on.
Make a wish.
An age is just a number. I am okay, and I hope this is the your most exciting few years. Ayan, and wish you more and more is to come, and especially good health. Ayan, important talaga yan, and good health. Ayan, many more birthday to come, more cakes to bloom. Ayan, happy birthday. Love you, babe.
And how about for the lovely and beautiful?
Tagalog talaga. Ay, anyway, hindi kita nakita. Tapos, focus ka lang sa goal mo sa life. And, appreciate mo na ma-achieve mo kung anong gusto mo sa life kasi alam ko, may gusto ka pang gawin sa buhay mo. And, welcome, PBH of 40 Life begins for yourself. Enjoy! Ganun lang.
Dito na yun sa birthday ng aming kapatid. Yung kapatid si Maricel and pangalawa si Marites. Puro kami, apat. Tapos happy birthday din dito sa ating isa. Happy birthday din. And ibaw mo, alam ko na siya yung pangalan namin. So, siya yung tinitigan namin na bilang magulang dito. Kaya sinisunod kami kung ano man yung ano yan. And wish ko sa iyo is maging maganda yung takbo ng karera dito. And mapapatutupad ka ng pangarap niya para sa future. Para sa mga family natin. Kasi hindi kayo naman napunta dito kasi nagpapangarap sa pamilya. And wish ko is magandang buhay at daming pang birthday para sa buhay. And pag-ibig
during this time?
Message for Seth. Thank you for always being there for the team.
Okay, if you'll be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that?
If I would be given a chance to change, I'll change nothing. Because I would be nothing without this phone.
Alright, what a brilliant baby on the center. Your question goes to say, where are you from?
I came from my mother's womb.
What a brilliant answer. So your question is, if you'll be given the chance to tour one of the countries outside Bahrain, why is that place and why?
I would always choose Philippines, my home country, where I belong.
Alright. What a brilliant answer coming from for our fourth candidate that was once again Miss Wayne. Join our your motto in life?
My motto is life. I love with my partner. With Philippine strength.
Okay, your question goes this way. If you will become a food or a recipe, what is that food and why?
The food is today I like is pancit.
Why?
Because I love it is Filipino food. That's why.
Alright, that was once again Mr. Adel. Palakpakan mo dyan! Okay, our next. You look so handsome for tonight occasion. Who's with you tonight? You're Bisaya. Okay. Can you speak one word or one statement or one sentence in Bisaya?
Daghang salamat po.
Daghang salamat po. Maraming salamat, Sir Ali. Palakpakan ng John. Our last but definitely not the least for our best in male attire, third nominee you are Sir Hassan. Wala pa kayo mga kabayan. Thank you for joining, sir. Please. Bigyan mo na tayo, sir. message acknowledgement, your greetings into all participants here for the lovely event. Take it away.
Thank you so much. Okay, I am going to thank God, of course, alam ko, love niyo ako lahat because you are here. Sobrang busy nyo, but you are here. So I would like to thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, I would like to hear your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Miss Maricel.
Okay, to Miss Tanny. Miss talaga. Okay, thank you so much. Of course, hindi kita kinuha kung hindi ako namin sa'yo. So I was attending for a party before with the kids ni Nancy Quizon. That was in the Chufer. Oh yeah, that was in Mitch. What is the hotel? Chufer Hotel. I saw him and I said to Mitch, I want to take him as my host to my birthday. Because actually, usually my birthday was in the pool or in the beach. But now I'm thinking because of the weather, so I want to take to try the indoor. So that's why when I saw you, my plan was, I made up my mind already, okay, I will take Sandy. Okay, home, she is very good. Okay, if you like to have like, especially in the child. He is very good in the child. Party like baptism, birthday for your kids. He is very good at your kids or what? Okay, but okay, it's really, really perfect and amazing. Thank you so much. Okay?
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause once again for Miss Maricel. Inviting our dazzling, glamorous, pretty celebrant for tonight. Sabay-sabay natin sabihin, happy birthday, Maricel! And I would like